Ever wondered what's hidden within the rich text of the Bible? Today, we dive into chapters 13 through 16 of the book of Jeremiah, a journey packed with symbolism, warnings, and life lessons. Even if you're new to the Bible, these chapters are sure to spark your curiosity. Jeremiah 13 opens with an unusual command from God. He asks Jeremiah to buy a linen belt, wear it, but then hide it in a rock crevice. Later, when retrieved, it's ruined. This belt is a metaphor for the people of Judah and Israel. Like the belt that clings to the waist, God intended his people to hold on to him, but their pride and disobedience made them as useless as the spoiled belt.
Chapter 14 paints a grim picture. A terrible drought hits the land. This physical thirst mirrors the spiritual drought of God's people. Verse 11 stands out as God tells Jeremiah not to plead for the people's well-being.
That's powerful. It shows the depth of their rebellion. As we shift to chapter 15, God recalls the countless times he rescued Israel, yet they keep forsaking him. Verse 6 says, "You have rejected me," and what follows is a prophecy of defeat and exile. It's a poignant reminder of the consequences of persistent wrongdoing. Then, in chapter 16, God instructs Jeremiah not to marry or have children, symbolizing the severity of what's to come. Verses 14 to 15 are hopeful, though. They promise a return from exile greater than the rescue from Egypt. This contrasts the dire warnings, showing that despite the gloom, there's light if they turn back. Together, these chapters highlight a cycle of faithfulness, rebellion, and redemption.
They challenge us to consider how our actions align with divine purposes. So what does this mean for you? Dive deeper and let this ancient wisdom guide your life today. Subscribe and keep exploring these timeless teachings.